Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Yes, welcome to third class of Navodaya 2020 sixth class entrance examination. Dear friends, in this video I am going to explain LCM and HCF concept, very easy and important concept. What are the most important question which is coming previously 10 years back? That questions I am going to explain to you on the board. Let us come to the point. And before that, you are a new viewer of our channel, please subscribe our channel and get this kind of good videos to direct to your mobile. This is a one kind of good encouragement for our channel. Now let us see this question. Now your first question is, what will be the, what is the concept? Before going to tell you what is the concept, friend? LCM. What is LCM? HCF. What is HCF? Everybody say LCM is least common multiple. HCF is highest common multiple factor or greatest common divisor. We can say that is the abbreviation. What is LCM? If you are find out the factors in that highest power of the value, we have to take it as a common, then it is called LCM of that given numbers. What is HCF? In a factors, smallest power of the numbers we should take it as a common, that is called HCF of given numbers. In this way we are going to find the LCM and HCF. But how many methods are there? You can solve the HCF and LCF. Two methods, prime factorization method and long division method. Which is easy for the exam? Long division method is easy for that. Now, and one more important note point for you. HCF of two co-prime numbers is 1. LCM of two numbers A comma B is product of the two numbers only. And one more important formula in this chapter. The product of two numbers, for example A into B, is equals to its LCM and HCF product also. Product of two numbers A into B is equals to product of LCM and HCF also. That formula also we can use many times. Okay, now let us see the first question. What will be the LCM of 16, 80, 48? Oh, LCM we can do. LCM is asking 16, 80, 48. This is a long division method. LCM L, HCF H method we should use. Okay, now 16, 80, 40 all are even numbers. We can start with 2. 2 8 ja, 2 40 ja, 2 24 ja. Yes, 2 4 ja, 2 20 ja, 2 12 ja. Again 2 2 ja, 2 10 ja, 2 6 ja. Again 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 3 ja. Now 3 5 2 enough, because prime numbers we are getting now. Stop it. 3 5 ja, 15, 15 2 ja, 30, 30 into 2, 60, 60 into 2, 120, 120 into 2, 240. Got it? This is the answer. Okay, this is a one shortcut method, and I have one more easiest shortcut method also there. These numbers are some easy small numbers, some big numbers time it can be useful for you. That shortcut is 16, 80, 48. Okay, 8 2 ja 16, 8 10 ja 80, 8 6 ja 40. 8 table. In this, what is the common number? 8. 8 take it as a common. Next, remaining numbers 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6. Here 2 as it is. 2 1 ja 2. Here what is the common number? 2. Now 5 and prime numbers, take it 5 and prime. Multiply. 8 2 ja 10, 8 2 ja 16, 16 by 80, 83 ja 240. In these two techniques, you can use any technique, your choice. This is your choice. Okay. Next, what is the HCF of these three numbers? I told you, HCF means you can choose any two numbers first. 48, 144. Yes, a unit digit is 8. Here unit digit is 4. 8 3 ja, maybe it will come. 48 3 ja. Yes, 144 is coming. Remainder 0. When you are getting remainder 0, this number also will be divided by this number also. So 48 576. 48 1 ja 48. Okay. Now what is the 96? Here 17 minus 8 9. Here 6 will take down. Next 48 96. Okay na? Now 48 2 ja 96. So remainder 0, remainder 0. So here which is the common? 48. is the HCF. And we have one more technique also. You see children, 48 3 will come 144. 144 4 is also coming. So in this, what is the least number is what? Answer. That's it. Okay. Next, the difference between the LCM of numbers, HCF of numbers. Okay, you do LCM and HCF separately. You can do that subtraction, means difference. Yes, LCM of 30, 36, 90. Yes, long division method 30, 36, 90. You can choose any two methods, your choice. Here 3 10 ja 30, 3 12 ja 36, 3 30 ja 90. Here 10 10 12 like that. 2 5 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 15 ja. Here 5 table. Because 5 5 will come, no, 5 table. 5 1 ja, 6, 5 3 ja. Now 3 table. 3 2 ja, 3 1 ja. Finish. 2 into 3, 6. 6 5 ja, 30. 32 ja, 60. 62 3 ja, 180. LCM is what? 180. Now HCF. Yes, 30 I am going to take 36. Any two numbers. In this, any two numbers. 31 is 30. Remainder 6. Now 30 will comes to here. 6 5 is 30. Yes, remainder 0. Who is this fellow? 6 is the HCF. The 6 again will divide 90 also. Okay. So that is the reason 6 is the HCF. So it's a difference. This is LCM. This is HCF. He is asking LCM HCF difference. So 180 minus 6, 174. This is your answer, dear friends. Okay, how it is easy, right? Next, the HCF of two numbers is 38 and their LCM is 98,154 and one of the number is 1558. Find the other number. HCF is given, HCF is given, LCM is given, one number is 1558 given. Find the other number. Other number means B. The formula will be, I told you, no, A into B equals to HCF into LCM. So here given HCF 38 and LCM 98,154. Here A is given 38, sorry 1558 into B. Now I want to B. B means 38 into 98,154 by 1558. This is a lengthy, but if you know idea, any number is asking directly write given two numbers by given one number, then you will get this step directly. This step. Now 2 7 is 14, one remainder. You are a child, no? That is the reason I am going to start with 2. You can go with direct 38 table also. 2 7 is 14, carry 1. 2 7 is 14, again carry 1. 2 9 is 18. Now 2 1 is 2 19 is. Okay. 2 19 is 38. 2 table 57 79. Again 19 1 is 19. 19 4 is 76. One remainder 19. 19 1 is 19. So 41. So 98,151 will divided by 41. So compulsory this kind of question you do rough work. Definitely do rough work. We can let the question no more. 41 1 is 41 2 is 82. 2 is. Here starts with 2. It is not an option. It is not an option. Option will be these between these two. Now do carefully. 2 is 42. Now 6 remainder 16. Now take one number. 41 4 is rough work. 41 4 is 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 16. 164. Here what is there? 161. 4 is not possible. 3 is 3 is 123. 41 3 is 123. Here 3 is there. Here also 3 is there. Okay. Now carefully. Now remainder 11. 11 minus 3 8. Here 5 will be 5 minus 2 3 38. It will take 1 5 down as it is. 385 nearest number are 8 ja or 9 ja. We can check it. 41 9 ja. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja 32. 369. 9 ja it will go for very nearest to 385. So 9 ja. So 239. So this is the option. No need to do next number. No, next 4 you can take, nothing to worry. Just you can see 2 after 3. 2 after 3. Here also 2 after 3. Here 8 will be there, here 9 will be there. But nearest, you can check it, 9 ja, 369 is the nearest of 385. So that is the reason 2394 is the option for this question. Got it? Right? Next. If the product of two co-prime numbers is 117, then their LCM will be, I told you, one important note point. Product of two numbers A into B, then its LCM, that number only. Means this is the answer. When it is LCM, for suppose he is asking here HCF, maybe HCF means answer is 1. LCM will be product of two numbers, that is the LCM. LCM means 1 is the LCM. Co-prime numbers, always the common factor will be 1 only. That is the reason that numbers are called co-primes. Right? Now let us see one more interesting questions. Here the question number 6. Now 6th, 7th and 8th are somewhat hard questions because you are seeing the length of the question, but this is very easy questions. How do we do this question in easy manner? Let us see. The greatest number which will divide 1277 and 1368, leaving remainder 3 as the remainder in each case. This kind of questions you see the keyword greatest means HCF. We can do that. What are the numbers? 1277, 1368. The remainder will be 3. This will be, we have to subtract each and every number. The process I am going to tell you. Each and every number, the remainder you have to do first subtract. Okay? Now 1277 minus 3, 1274. 1368 minus 3, 1365. Chalo, 1274 small number will divide 1365. We have to do now HCF. HCF H method. This is a H. 1275 1 just 1274 and 2 just 2000. But here 1300 there. So we can take 1 just 1274. 5 minus 4 1. 16 carry, 16 minus 7 9. 91 is the remainder. Now this 1274 will comes to here as a dividend. Again H method. Do you know this process? Right. 91 1 ja 91. 7 minus 1 6. 12 minus 9 3 36. And one more number, take it as down 4. 91 4 ja 364. Okay na? 1274 1 ja 1274, remainder 91. This will divide 1274 14 ja 91 14 ja 1274, remainder 0. Then what is the HCF here? 91. 91 is the HCF. Clear? Right. Next, what I have done, once you see, he is asking this, what is then greatest? Means HCF. Two numbers are given, 3 numbers are given, whatever it is. Remainder, what is the remainder given? That remainder will be subtracted from these 2 numbers. What are the numbers we are getting? That 2 numbers are 3 numbers. We have to find their HCF. Their HCF. HCF. I am doing here HCF. Remainder 0. This is the divisor. This divisor is called our HCF. Our HCF. Okay. Next. Find the least number which when divided by 9, 12, 16, 20 and gives a remainder 3. Here what is the important keyword, friends? Means LCM. In this case, what is the beauty of maths here? There we should subtract first only. Here after doing the LCM we should add. There subtract first, then do the LCM. Here do the LCM, after that you are getting some answer, you add with this remainder. Then you will get the answer. Now LCM. 9, 12, 16, 20. Right? Right, friends. 2, 9 not possible. 2 6 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 10 ja. Again 2 table. 9 not possible. 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja. 3 table. 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 4, 5. Right? Next 2 table. 3, 1, 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja. All are prime numbers. Now stop it. 2 2 ja, 4. 4 3 ja, 12. 12 2 ja, 24. 24, you write. If you know 24 table, you don't know, 24 right side. 3 2 ja, 6. 6 5 ja, 30. So 24 into 30, 720. Is the LCM. I told you, last you should add, what is the remainder? What is the remainder here? 3. Add it. Yes, 723 is the answer. Yes. After getting the LCM, you should add this remainder to this number. Very important question, friends. Remember how to do. I explain very clear. Are you okay now? Next. 8th question. The question is, the answer is this much. 3 bells ring at intervals 12, 15, 18 minutes respectively. They started ringing simultaneously at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. What will be the next time will they ring simultaneously? 3 bells are ringing in different intervals, but morning 9 o'clock. After which time they are again same ringing? What is the time? He is asking. Simple. Like this bells, like this, whatever it is given, Amma, you can do LCM. That is the technique I am telling. LCM. 12, 15, 18. 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 6 ja. Okay? 2 2 ja, 5 not possible. 2 3 ja. All are prime numbers. 3 2 ja, 6. 6 2 ja, 12. 12 5 ja, 60. 63 ja, 180 minutes. 180 minutes nothing but converted into hours, because your question is given in hours only, not in minutes. Hours means by 60 we can divide. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So 0 0 get cancelled. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja. We converted into 3 hours. 3 hours. So 9 hours ki start ayina, 9 hour it was they are ringing 9 o'clock morning. After 3 hours, 9 plus 3 means what, mama? 12 p.m. By 12 o'clock again it is ringing simultaneously. So 12 p.m. is answer. How it is easy? 180 minutes converted into hours, add with given time. 9 plus 3, 12. Okay. Next, that is the question. By seeing you can say the answer. LCM of this is your prime factorization given. I told you LCM means highest power. It was all repeat a number. So 2 3 5, 3 5 7, 3 5 3 5. 2 times repeated. You can take 1 time. And 2 7 you can write. 2 3 5 7. Where it is? Here. Finish answer. 2 3 5 7. 2 times repeat you can write. Consider it 1 time only. Okay. Now HCF. What is the common number we can take it here? What is the common number here? This is our answer. Finish. Here common number you can take. Here with common number as well as remaining numbers also you can take in LCM. In LCM you can take only common numbers. 9, 11, 13. This is the answer. Right? Now let us see more interesting questions. The 11th question. The two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. That means the two numbers are A:B. And the product of their LCM and HCF will be 10,800. Find the numbers. Here numbers are not given. Ratio given. In such cases you can take 3s. Simple. X you can x. First number you don't know, you can take it as 3x. Second number you don't know, you can take it as 4x. Its product of two numbers is equals product of LCM and HCF. That is the formula. What is the LCM and HCF? 10,800 given. 3x into 4x, 12x square. I want x square is equals 10,800 by 12 comes to down. 12 table we know well. 12 9 ja 108. 12 1 ja 12 9 ja 108. 2 zeros you write as it is. Friends, x square equals 900. You know x equals to root 900. Root 900 perfect squares. You know very well. 30. X equals 30. Root 900 value 30. 30 30 is 900. 30 square. Okay. X is 30. Now what is the numbers? First number is 3x. Second number is 4x. 3 into x value 30. 3 into 30 90. 4 into 30 120. 90 comes. X equals to first number is 90. Second number is 120. He is asking find the sum. It's a sum. 90 plus 120 210. Yes. 90 plus 120 210. Sum of, you see, that is the beauty of the question. First you should find the numbers and its sum also. 90 plus 120 210. Next, last question number. The find the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 28 and 42 are in the ratio. To find LCM and HCF of these two numbers and also find its ratio. Here ratio given, we found here numbers. Here numbers given, we should find ratio. So 28 42 LCM. Simple. 2 14 ja, 2 21 ja, 2 7 ja 21 not possible. 7 1 ja 7 3 ja. 3 into 1 3, 3 7 ja 21, 21 into 2 42. You write like this and one more 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 84 amma. Now HCF. What is the numbers? 28. Here HCF method. Simple. 28 1 ja 28. Okay, 12 minus 8, 4, remainder 4. Here 3 minus 2, 1, 14 is the remainder. This 14 will divide 28. 28 will comes to here. 14 1 ja, 14 2 ja, 28. Remainder 0. When the remainder 0, this is divisor is called our HCF. HCF is 14. First number LCM ratio by HCF. 14 1 ja 14, 14 6 ja, 6 by 1. Nothing but 6:1. Okay, got it. You can do this one. This is also, this method also. 7 into 4, 42. 42. 2 into 7 into 3. What is the common here? Here 4 means 2 into 2. Here what is the common elements here? 2, 2. 7, 7. 2 into 7, 14. But this is the best method, I am telling. Now answer is 6:1. 84 by 6, 14. 14 1 46. 6 by 1 nothing but 6:1. This is your answer. So I hope that you are enjoying today our class. You have to understand successfully, and friends, you do one thing. You have to share this kind of videos to your friends and do your valuable comments and likes also. Till then, practice well. Bye bye. Jai Hind.